Okay, so today we're making a cat. These are our pieces we're using today. Some spanners, which will be for around the eyes. Some spoons, which will be for around the mouthy type stuff. Some ball bearings or marbles for eyes. Some forks for some whiskers, and maybe a few other bits and pieces there to add on. Got this old LPG canister, and what I've done, I've filled it full of water and I've cut it out, and then I've cut into one side. I didn't film this because I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but I cut down the sides and cut a little piece out through here, and then I was able to cable that in and bend it round, and I've just kind of tacked it back in. So it gives me like a chest and body for my cat. It's worked out quite well. It took me forever though, and that's going to get mounted onto my cat there. And I've had a look in my bits and pieces, and I'm thinking of using these as the arms for the front. They just need to be heated and bent out, and those loops will be its feet. So I've got a couple of these table brackets for legs, and they're going to be for my cat legs. So I'm going to weld that on to here on the base of my cat, and then I'm going to have a foot come out the bottom like so, and maybe another piece in here to be the other part of the leg for the back legs. Can't find anything to use for a tail apart from these bits of bent pipe, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them, and then that way I can weld them together in like a little sneaky. Let's do it. Okay, so it's all welded together now. Tail's on, legs are on, front legs are on. Opened up the whiskers a little bit. Just has to be tidied up.